Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to find the y-intercept of a linear equation. Before we get started, I'd just like to point out that over 90% of you viewers are not subscribed to the channel, and we're almost coming up to 50 subscribers. So I would really appreciate it if you could hit that button below and support the channel. Let's get into it. First of all, it helps to know what a y-intercept is. The y-intercept of a line is basically where that line touches or goes through the y-axis, which is this vertical line right here. Since all values along the y-axis are at x equals 0, we know that a line must only have one y-intercept because it can only pass through it once. This also means that we can find the y-intercept of a linear equation by plugging in x equals 0 and finding the resulting y value. Let's see this in action with a few examples. So here we have the equation y equals negative 2x plus 4. Now, if you've already seen my video on slope-intercept form, you already know what the y-intercept is going to be. But let's see if we can find it using the method I described. Very simply, all we're going to do is plug in 0 for the value of x. What that's going to do is eliminate this whole term right here, because anything times 0 is just 0. So what does that give us? Y equals positive 4. So that's our intercept. This point right here is at y equals 4. And the coordinate for that point would be 0, 4, because once again, that point is at x equals 0. This is our y-intercept, and if we were to graph this, you would see that the linear equation has a slope of negative 2, because our equation was negative 2x plus 4. This also matches what we know about slope-intercept form because the constant added to the x term, which is this term right here, plus 4, that's going to be the y-intercept, and in this case, both of them match. Let's do another example. Let's say you're given the equation y equals 6x minus 5 to represent this line shown on the graph. What would be the y-intercept? Like before, we're simply going to plug in the value of 0 for x, so this whole term goes away. That leaves us with y equals negative 5. So that means this point right here is equal to negative 5, and the ordered pair is 0, negative 5. So as you can see, this is a very easy way to find the y-intercept of a linear equation. I hope you found this video helpful, and please feel free to leave questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.